everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're keeping things pretty low-key today, okay? I'm doing my makeup, my hair's still in my towel, I'm on my vlog camera. I was planning on doing like a full-on sit-down video, but I feel like, you know, this is just a quick little snappy video. So I wanted to talk to you guys today about my next fitness goal. As you guys know, on my fitness journey, I have really kind of pushed the fact that I like to work on goals rather than appearance. So I like to set myself challenges. It keeps me excited, it keeps me interested. As you guys know, at the moment, hang on, my dad's calling me. Hello. Hi, sorry, my dad just called me, so I just took out my hair and finished my makeup. So yeah, I like to set myself goals, and I decided to set myself a new challenge a couple of weeks ago. That challenge is I want to run 1 mile every day for a month. For me, a mile is a very, very manageable distance. It takes me about 8 or 9 minutes to run a mile. It's not about can I run a mile, it's about the discipline of doing it every single day. I just want to improve on my short distance running. You get a little boost of endorphins first thing in the morning, every single morning. I planned that I wanted to do this like I said, like 2 weeks ago. I said to Tim like, oh, you know, I think as soon as Amy's hen is over, I want to run a mile every day for a month and just, you know, track my progress, see how my time is, and just try and improve my running. So I planned this ages ago, and now obviously coronavirus is really like a genuine concern. And I'm now not going to the gym because I don't think it's fair to put people at risk. I just think, you know, where we can, we should be staying at home. I will be doing at-home workouts. I might film a few for you guys if you would like to see. Just really easy at-home, like little HIIT workouts. I don't know, if you'd like to see that, let me know down below. I'm not going to any spin classes. I'm not going to Zumba. It breaks my heart. I think you guys know by now that the gym is extremely important to me and a massive part of my lifestyle and what I do day to day. I literally work out most days. One thing I can do is go for remote runs. So I have decided I'm gonna run a mile every single day. I'm gonna track my progress. I'm gonna see my time from the beginning to the end of the month. I'm gonna look at my heart rate, and I'm gonna run the same route the entire way around every day, just to kind of keep it as fair as I possibly can. I think the route I run is actually like 1.2 miles, so it's slightly over, but you know, as long as it's the same distance, right? I wanted to make this video to tell you that that's what I was doing so I can hold myself accountable for it. You now know, which means I now need to make the video. So in a month's time, I will be making a video all about how I found it, my experience, the before and the afters of my times, and also I have taken footage of my body. I was obviously planning on doing this on top of my regular training and on top of my strength training and weightlifting, but as I'm not going to be doing that, I guess it's going to be the majority of my exercise at the moment. I think it will be good for my mental health to make sure that I'm getting outside and not just doing at-home workouts, getting outside, getting fresh air, getting a little bit of cardio, a bit of an endorphin kick to start my day, as long as I'm healthy, because, you know, I might get coronavirus, I might get sick in the next month. So I'm gonna try my best to obviously stay safe, stay sanitary, which you guys should also be doing. I'm going for my runs first thing in the morning. It's the first thing I'm gonna do when I wake up. So like 7 AM, go. I have like a woodland area down my road, so I run down there. No one around. You guys can do that as well. Just go out for a remote run where there's not many people around. Make sure you are still getting your exercise as long as you're feeling up to it. Make sure you are still moving your body. It's so important, and especially seeing as we're going into self-isolation and social distancing, I think now more than ever, you're gonna be needing that little bit of an endorphin hit, because it is kind of scary times, and I really don't want you guys to be putting yourselves and others at risk. Like, I'm not worried so much about myself getting coronavirus. It's not about me, it's about the people around me. It's about my grandma, it's about my family, it's about my friends. I think it's irresponsible of me to put others at risk. So I'm not going to. Even though I feel fine, I'm mostly acting like I already have it. So, which is what people have said to do. Like, act as if you've already got the virus rather than you're trying to prevent it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna get a lot of work done. I'm gonna do a lot of cooking. I'm gonna get my flat looking really nice. Just gonna keep myself super busy, productive. You guys might get an extra video a week some weeks, you never know. I might do a little bonus video next week for you guys who are at home and bored and need some entertainment. I just wanted to make today's video really casual and just say, that's my plan. I'm going to be documenting this month. There will be a video in a month's time talking about it and how it's affected my body, how it's affected my brain and my time. That is my next fitness goal. I'm going to be running a mile every day for a month. I'm really excited. Today is actually day 2. I've already done my run this morning. There's also a sale on my mugs at the moment. Thought I'd mention. You can get 15% off of my merch with the code positivity. But like at this kind of scary time, we all need a little bit more positivity. That is it. I'm sorry that today's video is quite cash and not the usual, you know, quality, but I just feel like we need to just bring things down, just have a little chat, just talk about the things that are going on. Look forward to Thursday's video. Hopefully it will be helpful to some of you. Stay safe, stay healthy, try and stay happy, give your friends a call, give your family a call, stay connected, but do just minimize how much you're going out and about. And with that, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what you're gonna do in this time. Use this time for some self-care. I know that a lot of people are gonna really go through a hard time with this, and it's a really dark time for a lot of people. I just wanna send some love out to you, and I really hope you're doing okay. We will get through this period of time. Sending you all my love. And leave a comment down below, let me know what you guys are gonna do. Is there a book you've been meaning to read that you want to read? Is there a movie marathon that you want to sit and watch? I feel like I might finally let Tim and I sit and watch all of the Lord of the Rings, which I've been putting off because Tim's been desperate too. So we might watch some Studio Ghibli and some Lord of the Rings for Tim, and then he can watch all of the Indiana Jones films with me. I feel like this needs to be a time of togetherness, whilst we need to remain separate, but we need to come together more than ever. Together in spirit, separate physically. Anyway, I've been rambling now. I'm gonna drink my coffee, go and film a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on Thursday for a new video. Lots of love.